So today we're going to be looking at how you can use your iPhone, Samsung phone, Android, whatever it may be, even a tablet, an iPad, anything like that. Today I'm going to show you how you can use it as a TV remote. Now this may come in handy, one, if you've lost your TV remote. That's where I've used it when I am in bed, I cannot be bothered to get up, look for this TV remote, I pick up my phone and I use this system instead, and it works flawlessly. It takes a bit of getting used to because it does feel quite strange, but it works quite well and I would recommend it. So you will be able to see my phone screen on the screen now, and this app and this system is great for turning the volume up and down, you know, simple little things like that. It really works very well for. You will be able to see some shots on the video now of just me messing around my telly. You can do absolutely everything with this system. Now it is primarily for Samsung TVs. You do not need a Samsung device to do this, as in a Samsung phone or a Samsung tablet. You can do this. As you can see, I'm on an iPhone, and what you want to do is you want to head across to your app store, and then we're going to go to search. Then we are going to search for smart things, just like this. And we're going to search for the app. And there we go. The first thing you'll see is the SmartThings app here. Now, this app allows you, like I said, to use your phone as a TV remote. And it works very well. And I'll show you through how to use it now. So you want to download this app. And then once it's downloaded, you can simply open it up. And it's going to look like this. Now, when you open up the app, you will need to set up a device, which you can do by going up here to the plus. And then you can go device. And then in here, you can click TV and you can go through and set up your TV. It's very easy. You shouldn't need me to run you through it. You can click our text guide, which is down below in the description. If you click that link, you'll head across to the TechX website. And from there, you will be able to get a guide on how you can set up your Samsung account and get the app set up from there. I'm just going to continue on from that point. So if you need that information, head across to our website, link in the description. Otherwise, we're going to go back and let's say you've got your TV added now. And as you can see, mine currently says offline, but if your TV's on, you'll be able to tap it. As soon as you tap that button, what it's going to do is it's going to allow you to control your TV. You should be able to see some clips now of me controlling my TV with this app. It works very, very well, and it just all round covers everything you need it to do. Like I said, it works very well just for those times when you're sat there and you don't want to get up, you don't want to grab your TV remote, those sorts of things. And sometimes it's just kind of nice to use your phone. I don't know, we've got these incredible smartphones now that you can do everything on. You can turn your lights on and off, you can tell Alexa to shut your blinds, you can make sure your food's ordered on time, you can do everything on this phone. Why not be able to do a simple thing like control your TV through it? So I thought this was a good video, as it's something I think not enough people are aware of, and I would recommend checking it out, giving it a go. All of the links to download this app and how to do it in a text format are down below. I would recommend checking it out because it will show you how to do it, set up your Samsung account, give you the list for that and everything like that. So I would recommend going and taking a look at that. And yeah, I will catch you in the next video. Like I said, check out our website down below, and I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye.